So we're here today to address some issues with the customers. Had some water ingress in the property. We found that the felt and batten is perished, so we're going to have to take it all up, replace with new materials. We're also going to clean the box gutter and apply a waterproof membrane the whole way along, just to ensure there'll be no further leaks. And finally, we're going to install all new Velux flashing kits and then completely reslate the whole roof, so it'll be a brand new roof for the customer.
The felt that we are using on this roof is a breathable type of felt which allows airflow into the loft space, stops condensation build up. As you can see from the old roof, it has the old style felt on, which is a bitumen backed base, and it doesn't allow airflow into the roof.
They're going to cut these battens to run sort of long ways along the roof so they can fix the tiles to them, sort of shutter them down so all the rain runs off them and flows into the gutter.
Right, so we're on the final stages of this re-roof on this lean-to. We've replaced all the felt, the battens, so now we're just going to slate in the roof, fit all the Veluxes and remedy the guy's issue. We finally completed this project. It's a tremendous difference to what it was before. Customer's really happy with it. I'm really happy with it. So all in all, good job.